Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to instantly create bilingual captions for your videos in CapCut. So what you need to do is just import your video, any video that you want that consists of someone talking. You can just go to text and go to Adobe Captions, and now enable this bilingual caption by clicking on this. So you need to choose or select the language that you want. So for example, I'm going to go with French. Go back and here select the generate from English and then choose the sound source from video. Now click on this generate button to generate the captions, and after that CapCut will instantly generate the caption for you in both languages that you choose. So this is it. You can see the secondary caption is at the bottom. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.